What is happening, everybody? Judd Burton here from Asphalt Kingdom. Thank you so much in advance for watching this video. Thank you so much in advance for punching that subscribe button, subscribing to the Asphalt Kingdom channel, and also for clicking that little dingy bell, which is the notification, so that every time we push content out, you're notified on the awesome content that we deliver. This video today is about how to price a line striping job. Over the last several years, we've been reached out to at Asphalt Kingdom by so many different people starting businesses in the business on how to price a line striping job on a parking lot properly. There's parking stall lines, there are bollards, there's curbing, there are handicap stencils, no parking. There's so many different variables that affect the price on a striping job. And we now have the solution for you. So I originally was gonna go out and shoot a whole big series on how to price a line striping job, but as I was searching YouTube, I came across a guy, an awesome individual named Billy Davidson, and he's got testimonials and people who've gone through this 90-minute course that he's developed. And that 90-minute course goes through all the ins and outs actually in the field on parking lots, going through the process of bidding on jobs, on actually pricing line striping jobs. You'll learn all kinds of things related to that, which will allow you to start your business or step up your striping game and close more deals. So if you click on the link below in the pinned comments, that will bring you through to a special page on Asphalt Kingdom where we actually have that 90-minute video being offered. Billy Davidson has been kind enough to allow us to post it on Asphalt Kingdom. I've gone through the 90-minute video like 4 times. It is awesome, it's badass, full of value. I know it's gonna help you. As soon as you go through the process of reading the page and listening to the testimonial that's on there, there's no doubt that you're gonna find tremendous value in that video. And then once you've signed up to that video, you'll be able to access that video in your Asphalt Kingdom account, which is awesome, 90 minutes. We're also providing a limited time cheat sheet associated with all the details in that video to help you build and grow your line striping business. Thanks again for tuning in, and remember, hit that link down below in the comments that are pinned and make sure you click through to the Billy Davidson 90-minute video of how to price a line striping job. See you soon, and thanks again for subscribing to our channel.